Hey everyone, want to record your screen for tutorials, gameplay, presentations, or troubleshooting? ShareX includes a built-in screen recording feature that makes the process simple once it's set up. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to record your screen with ShareX from start to finish. So let's get started. First, open ShareX from the Windows Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see the main dashboard with options for screenshots, screen recording, uploads, and settings. Next, click the Capture menu and choose Screen Recording. If this is your first time using the feature, ShareX may ask you to download the required recording components. Simply follow the prompts and let the download finish before continuing. Once everything is ready, your screen will dim slightly. Click and drag to select the area you want to record, or choose the entire screen if that's what you need. After you release the mouse button, the recording starts automatically. Now perform the actions you want to capture. Whether you're demonstrating software, creating a tutorial, or showing a presentation, ShareX records everything inside the selected area. Try to avoid unnecessary mouse movements for a cleaner recording. When you're finished, stop the recording using the recording toolbar or the assigned keyboard shortcut if you've configured one. ShareX will process the recording automatically and save it to your default output folder. Finally, open the output folder to watch your recording and confirm everything looks good. You can keep the video on your computer, upload it using ShareX if you've configured upload services, or edit it later using your preferred video editor. And that's how to record your screen with ShareX. Once the recording components are installed, creating high-quality screen recordings is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.